Is that what it means? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. As usual, I have a huge haul and I'm styling a lot of these items in my home today and sharing it with you. Lots happening today. Let's head out. So today I'm taking you thrifting with me, only for a short bit though. Since I am styling my haul in this video, I didn't want it to be too long. So we're just gonna do some quick browsing so you can see all the cuties I missed out on. As usual, I see all the good stuff when I'm editing and then I wonder why I passed it up. Anyway, I have been on the lookout for spring decor and tableware. This is one of my favorite times of the year to decorate, so I'm looking forward to sharing some spring decor finds with you later on. As you all know, my haul is usually a collection of several trips to the thrift store over maybe a couple of weeks. The first thing I'm going to share with you are these pillows and pillow covers, obviously, that I found. These two are velvet and these two are linen with a little bit of a stripe on it. I'm very picky when it comes to textiles at the thrift store. I look them over really well. You guys know I share all the time that I clean everything before I bring it into my home, especially when it comes to fabrics. I literally take these covers off outside. Even though it says to dry clean, I wash them with hot water because I want to make sure it's properly sterilized. All four of these cushions are from Lulu Georgia. These are on their website right now, priced over $100, I believe. I'm not sure. I'll put it on the screen here. I love the subtle stripe on these two linen cushions. Actually, this one says 100% cotton. It has like a velvety feel to it, and even the pillows are that down stuffing in there. And this is how I shop for pillows. I take a scan. If I see something I like, I always open the zipper and look for the tag. Not so much for the brand, but I'm always looking at what the fabric is. These are all 20 by 20, so they are a really nice size. These were barely even used, in really good shape. I'll put it here on the screen, but from what I could remember, I think they were $3.99 or $4.99 each, but not more than that. Obviously, one person donated their whole stash of pillows and pillow covers. There were 4 and I got them all. I also got these 2 gorgeous horse pictures in frames. I love horses and I love portraits and pictures of horses. These were originally priced at $30. They were reduced to $15 and then I got them for $10 each. I did clean them up already, but you can see that the picture does have some spots from, of course, age, which I love. I don't want to get rid of that. These are so beautiful. They're a great size, and for $10 each, I thought this was a phenomenal deal. Love the colors in it. I could stare at these all day. They're so beautiful. I have two black and white frames here that honestly, I am not sure if I shared this with you before. I've had these for a couple of months and I realized they were in my stash of items that I didn't clean up, which usually indicates that I didn't share it as yet. I paid $3 a piece. The frame isn't in such good shape, but I love the old portraits that are in them. This one is a scenery with what looks like, it does have some Christmas trees and some mountains. This one was a little bit strange. It says struggle for child custody and it's signed William Smear. Two-sided truck, I guess. I just thought it was interesting. I didn't really understand what struggle for child custody means. Wait, is that what the struggle is? That you're driving two different ways? Is that what it means? Huh. Anyway, I love the truck. I love the black and white photo. I didn't really care for the frame. It's really kind of flimsy. In fact, it feels like it's breaking. I do love using black and white. I use those two up there. It does have the wooden frame, but they're black and whites, and I love decorating with black and whites as well. I found this little thing and I thought this was so cute. I guess this could be considered like a trinket dish with the cover. Look at the cover, look at the little detail around the side here. I absolutely love this. And guys, when I say I clean everything, make sure when you go thrifting that you clean everything thoroughly before you bring it into your home. I recently read something on a Facebook post where someone had a terrible experience, and I was reading all the comments and people were sharing different experiences that they had, and it totally messed me up. If there's anything you take away from me, it's when you go thrifting, make sure and clean everything before you bring it into your home. You never know where these things come from. A lot of these come from good homes, but some of these things do come from neglected homes where there are different types of tenants, if you know what I mean. Something like this, I literally washed this like a dish in the sink, under the water with soap and a sponge, and scrubbed it all out and then put it in the sun. I figured if it got damaged, I didn't invest much, but it's not coming in my home unless it got a good cleaning. But getting back to this cute little basket here, how adorable is this? I love this as a little catch-all. I couldn't resist this. I love the colors of it. I love the darker tones of this. I thought it was really unique. I want to say this is about 14 inches, so it's a nice size. So many places I can use this. After wrapping up filming, I redecorated a little bit. If you've been around for a while, you may remember when I did this makeover here in my mom's bedroom. She's away right now, so I've been filming in here mainly because it's away from everyone and doesn't pick up a lot of background noise. I just want to take a moment to really thank all of you that are here supporting my channel every single week. I am so grateful for you. I truly appreciate you. In addition, if you are new here, welcome to the channel. If you enjoy thrifting and decorating, if you enjoy flipping home decor and furniture, then this is the channel for you. Feel free to join us on here, subscribe to the channel, and hopefully you are all enjoying this video so far. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. So this is another one that got me really excited. In fact, I didn't really know what it was when I first saw it. It was on the shelf like this, And of course, it piqued my interest because it's two elements that I love, wood and brass. And I fiddled with it a little bit, and then I realized it's like a book stand. So it has these little grooves on the back, so it can be you know, put at any height. And then it has this piece on the bottom so it can hold like a book or maybe an iPad. Great for holding like a recipe or just to decorate with. I think it's originally just this brass piece, but the person that had it attached it to this piece of wood, which I think really added to it, made it very special. This is why I love thrifting, because you can get nice book stands like this on the shelves right now. They're pretty, they look good, but when you look at something like this, it definitely has more character and it's more interesting. You can tell it's been around for a while. I just thought this was so great and I grabbed it. And I know I have a thing for jewelry boxes and trinket dishes, but I also have a thing for stone. I particularly love alabaster. When I saw this, I couldn't resist it. It's a type of stone. I think it's alabaster. It does have that feeling. Alabaster has that very smooth, cold feel to it. I'm no professional, but that's what I think. It's kind of white with a little bit of gray or blue in there. I probably wouldn't put anything inside of this, but I think it's a great styling item. I do have a lot of candle holders, brass candle holders, tea light holders. Some of them have like glass lanterns, I guess, on them, and some of them don't. They're pretty either way. When I saw this, I thought this would be great on that little tea light candle holder that I got recently that has that little finger loop. I think I shared that recently with you. The brand is Block, which I've never heard about, but it says mouth blown, hand cut. Made in Poland. I just thought it was so pretty. Love the cuts on it. I instantly thought that this would be nice together with that, just to sort of enhance it a little bit. I also got this glass, I think it's an ice bucket if I'm not mistaken. I look at everything with all the options it can be used for. This can probably be used as a vase as well. I just love the design on the bottom of it. I thought that was so unique. It's kind of like a swirly design with some gold in there. Love this thick base on the bottom and the little handles. Another snuffer. After being on the hunt for snuffers for so long and not finding them, now I'm finding them back to back. So this is the third long one that I found recently and I'm super thrilled. I also got this adorable little jewelry box or trinket dish. Look at how gorgeous this is. It has that brown velvet on the inside. Love Rosie and Ray. So this is obviously a gift to Rosie and Ray, or from Rosie and Ray. It's some type of stone and has this beautiful floral design on the front. This was on one of those shelves behind the cashier. So this wasn't something that I saw on the shelf. I was checking out and I noticed it. I asked her the price and it was priced at $60. Unbelievable. But this was supposed to be mine. It happened to be a green tag and it was 75% off that day. Isn't this adorable? I just love this. I don't know if you guys remember when I found, actually I have it right here, let me show you. This one, which I absolutely adore. I put this out at Christmas time and I kept it all the way through till now. This was really convenient to have. We kept all the remotes in here, and now I'm gonna swap this out with this one because this looks more like spring, and put this away for next holiday. I also got this little glass container, which I thought was super adorable. It's a sort of a ashy gray color. I just love the thickness and the heaviness of the glass. It has that big base and the little top on there. I had a specific idea for this one. I wanted to use this to hold some matchsticks, so I cut out the striker from this dollar store matchbox, stuck it underneath, and then added longer sticks I got on Amazon. I also got this gorgeous little silver lamp, which I adore. Love all the details in it. Don't know if you can see, it has like these patterns in it there. 4 little feet, and it, I think, has the original wiring. Is this the original? Not sure if this is original wiring or if it was changed, but it does work. I don't know if you guys noticed this on last week's video. It was behind me on my entryway table. I couldn't wait to use this. Here's what happened with this. It actually came with a cute little black shade, which I adored. I love the black. It was really dirty, and again I went at it to clean it, but the little pieces that go down, those started to fall apart, which were fine because it was just a matter of sticking them back. I'll show you what I did. I kind of ruined it. I did stick them back, however I did quite a messy job. Somehow I was thinking that this glue was gonna dry completely clear and you weren't gonna see the glue at all, so I really wasn't patient with it and I did quite a sloppy job, but this looked really good with it. I took the top off of it, it's somewhere, but I love it with this black. It looked so nice. I was kind of bummed that this happened, but I wanted to use it anyway, so I took the shade off of the other little one I had on the entryway and I'm using it there right now, and maybe this will be a DIY project in my near future. I also picked up another Aura4's tea light holder. I've been finding a lot of these. I know they're not incredibly valuable, but I just think they're so pretty. These very simple shapes can be so effective when you style it with something else. So I hope you guys enjoyed my haul, enjoyed some of the styling ideas. I hope this gives you inspiration. That is always my goal, to inspire you, not to convince you to do things my way, but just to inspire you to find the things that you love and enjoy. I know for me, whenever I get the time and I could view some of my fellow thrifties here on YouTube, it gets me really excited and I just want to get dressed and head to the thrift store. So hopefully I'm doing that for you and giving you ideas on things that you can look out for and how you can use them in your home. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.